Alright, good evening. Here's the Broke Trader here, once again with another video. I'm just trying to find another setup in the GBP USD. And so right now I'm on the 4-hour chart, just looking at the volume profile, the RSI level, and the overall trend. So immediately, I've already kind of pre-planned this already. You know, the market's still in a strong downtrend. I tried to take a long position earlier, which it did execute, but just looking at the overall strength of the trend, it's still down. So, and then looking at volume, you know, a lot of volume right here. So now I'm going to use this as my resistance, and I'm going to find support. And once again, I've already done that, so I'm drawing out my lines right here. So now I'm going to scale in. I like to have a real clear chart. I don't like too much going on. So this is what I've got so far. You know, I've got my support and resistance, an area that I'm looking at, and of course, you know, looking at the RSI, the market was somewhat oversold. So, you know, we get a jump up. So now we're going to scale in, and from here, this is where I'm going to throw on the Fibonacci retracement. And it's funny because before I even got into Fibonacci, I used to use WD Gans theory, which is finding a high and low and figuring out a retracement zone. But you know, as time progressed, we figured out there's Fibonacci retracement as well as volume profile, and all three are very similar, a lot of confluence. So just to make it a little bit easier and faster on me, I just used the Fibonacci retracement from my support, my resistance and support, and then I'll draw my sweet spot. This is always my sweet spot. Take off the Fibonacci and just wait. So now I'm looking for, you know, it looks like there was a test right in here, but I'm trying to find price action right in this area, telling me, you know, that the market is going to either continue down or continue up to this level. So that's pretty much what I'm waiting for. The idea for me was to see it come up somewhere in here, have rejection, come down, maybe retest, and then continue down. So that's what I'm looking for. Like I said, stay tuned, keep watching, let's see what happens, and I hope you guys had a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, let me know what I can do better. Just interact. You know, this is, we're just constantly growing and learning together, and I'm putting it all out there for you as far as what I use every day, and it's just all consistency and finding that specific trading plan that you use and that you're comfortable with. All right, so thank you. I'll talk to you soon and update you. Bye bye.